I'm gonna have chopped garlic, 1 large clove, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, banana ketchup if you have it, a little bit of pepper, and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Mix it all together. Then we're going to put the juice of 1 Meyer lemon. We're going to juice 1 Meyer lemon, which is about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'm going to trim off the fat and cut it in 1-inch cubes. I like using the meat, the thighs, because it's a little more tender than your breast meat. Then we're going to put it in the marinade and let it sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes, or overnight, or even 2 to 3 days will work. We're going to stir to make sure that the marinade covers the chicken. The bamboo skewers are soaking in water. This means that they won't burn when you start cooking the Filipino barbecue. At least 30 minutes. Now we're getting ready to cook the Filipino barbecue. The meat has been marinating for over 30-45 minutes. We'll put at least 4 on a stick, and make sure your sticks have been in water for about 30 minutes so you won't burn the sticks while you're cooking. Now we're finished threading the meat. You can cook it either outside or an indoor grill like we're using today. Turning the Filipino barbecue over, and we're brushing it with a marinade.